Hey there, today we're working on the challenge Dictionary Accumulators 1 in the Dictionaries lesson. We're writing a function called accumulator mod 5 that does the following. Creates a list containing the values between the variable low and high, and that's inclusive going by fours. And it ends up returning a dictionary with keys that represent all the possible values of n mod 5, where n is each number in our list. The values should be the number of times that modulo value, that remainder, occurs for each of the numbers. So we can actually see sort of an example here where if we print out this dictionary that's saying this list from 0 to 74 had modulo of 0 four times. There were a modulo of 4 times, 3 4 times, 2 4 times, and 1 there was a modulo of 3 times. So we'll go ahead and jump in and start writing our function here. The first thing that I need to do is to make a list. And what we wanted to do is we want to make a list of range from low, starting at low and ending at high plus 1, simply because we wanted to include that final number, right? So I've made my list here. Now what I need to do is iterate through that list. So we'll say for each number in my list, I want to, let's say my remainder is equal to num mod 5. And then I'm going to say if my remainder is not in, and what I forgot to declare my dictionary. So I'll go ahead and jump on and do that. If remainder is not in my dictionary, d.keys, then I want to say d with remainder as the key is equal to 1. And otherwise, that is, if it already is, remainder is already a key in the dictionary, then we want to plus equals 1. I'm missing an assignment operator up here. And the last thing that I want to do is simply to return that dictionary. Now, there is one thing that I'm missing. This wanted me to make a list going by fours. I just have a regular list here. So I will go ahead and put in that third parameter 4, and we can give this a test. Maybe there will be some issues and we can work through those. It turns out that's actually correct, right? So the important part here is that we check if the remainder is already in the dictionary, and if it isn't, we go ahead and add it and instantiate the value to 1. Otherwise, we just increment the value by 1. So that's it for the solution. I hope that makes sense.